Hey everybody, hey everybody, hey everybody, hey everybody. Girl, this is the 3-minute video. We ain't got time for all that. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Elizabeth here with Healthy Nuggets, where we get healthy in just 3 minutes because it's 3-minute Thursday. Thank you. Okay, so today I wanted to share with you guys one of the most simplest, healthiest, veganist, plant-based, gluten-free-ist. Some of those weren't real words, but you get the point. I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite simple meals that you can make at home that are really inexpensive, gluten-free, vegan, plant-based, all natural, easy to make and cook, and you can even use for your meal prep, and will also help you with losing weight if that's what you're trying to do, or if you just want to be a healthy vegan plant-based gal. All right, that was a lot of words, so let's move on. All right, so one of my favorite meals that have really helped me in losing 40 pounds so far is jasmine rice, black beans, broccoli, some jalapeños, and a spicy sauce because I love spicy food. And any other veggies that you want to add that are non-starchy. That's important because I recently learned that there's certain vegetables that are starchy. So didn't really know that before. But the reason why I say jasmine, now I just personally like jasmine rice. I'm not a fan of brown rice, believe it or not. I know that's like a big health food, but I'm not a big fan of brown rice. It doesn't sit well with my digestive system. I usually don't feel good when I eat it. So hey, jasmine rice is the go-to for me. Black beans and rice, when they're combined, make the complete protein. So that's why, even though those are like considered starchy foods, beans have protein, and when they are put with something like rice, they become a complete protein. So you can look more into that and do more research later, because again, it's a 3-minute video, so let's keep going. So that's why I like to do rice and beans for the complete protein, and then I add non-starchy vegetables. So my favorite one is broccoli. So I'll add some broccoli in there, and I like spicy things, so I'll add like a spicy sauce or jalapeños, and I can eat it like that, or sometimes I'll put it on some lettuce, not like spinach because it'll get all messed up. But that is one of my simplest meals, and you can buy dried rice, dried beans, and cook them yourself and make a big pot, and very inexpensive. And broccoli is not usually that expensive. You can even get it frozen. So that is my recommendation if you are trying to start eating plant-based and vegan, but want to do it in a healthy way, or gluten sensitive, and you also want to lose weight and do meal prep. Super easy, super simple, super inexpensive. Go try that. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Like this video, and I will see you guys next Thursday. That was loud, for 3-minute Thursdays. Bye.